Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Stuck choosing between the Sony 28-70mm zoom lens and the Canon 100mm macro lens? It's a classic showdown. Versatility versus specialization. Think of it as deciding between capturing a breathtaking landscape and the almost invisible details on a ladybug.
Right. The Sony FE 28-70mm F3.5-5.6 OSS boasts that appealing zoom range, but at a renewed price point of around $226, does it deliver sharp images across the board, or are there compromises?
Actually, it holds up surprisingly well. The built-in optical steady shot is a lifesaver. Imagine getting usable shots handheld, even at the 70mm end, which is great for portraits. Plus, minimal change in lens length during zooming makes it feel solid.
The Canon EF 100mm f/2.8 macro USM, currently around $430 renewed, is a different beast. It's purpose-built for extreme close-ups, but is it a one-trick pony, or can it handle other types of photography too?
That's exactly what we need to figure out. The Sony's 28-70mm range is incredibly practical. You're covered for wide-angle street scenes at 28mm, and you can zoom in for tighter shots at 70mm. It's a true walk-around lens, especially if you're just starting out with a full-frame Sony.
But the Canon's macro capabilities are insane. With its close focusing distance of just 1 foot, you can capture details you'd never see otherwise. Think about showcasing the intricate details of jewelry, the delicate structure of snowflakes, or even medical photography.
Here's a key difference. The Sony is a standard zoom, so it's more about convenience. It's great for general use, but it's not going to give you that super shallow depth of field or incredible bokeh that some prime lenses offer.
And the Canon, while amazing for macro, requires you to physically move to zoom. It's a fixed 100mm, so framing requires footwork. Also, while its SLR can be used for portraits, it's a bit long for some tastes.
So which lens wins?
It boils down to what you shoot most. If you need a versatile lens for everyday photography, travel, and general shooting, the Sony Zoom is a great, affordable option, especially considering it's renewed.
But if you're obsessed with detail, want to explore the miniature world, and are willing to sacrifice some versatility for incredible close-up performance, the Canon Macro is the clear winner. Both are solid choices, but for very different creative paths. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.